welcome to the Inner Peace channel. Today we are going to talk about pragmatism in philosophy of education. Pragmatism in the context of education is a philosophy that emphasizes practical application, experience, and real-world relevance in learning. It focuses on equipping students with the skills and knowledge they need to solve problems and adapt to life's challenges. The philosophy prioritizes learner-centered approaches, collaborative learning, and the teacher as facilitator. Key principles of pragmatism in education. Practical application. Education should be directly relevant to students' lives and future endeavors, preparing them for real-world situations and challenges. Learning by doing. Students learn best by doing, through hands-on activities, projects, and problem solving, rather than passive listening or memorization. Experiential learning. Learning should be rooted in experience, allowing students to learn from their actions and reflections. Student-centered approach. The focus is on the student's individual needs, interests, and experiences, with the teacher acting as a facilitator and guide. Growth and development. Education should foster not only intellectual growth, but also social and emotional development, helping students become well-rounded individuals. Emphasis on process. Evaluation focuses on the learning process, not just the final product and the ability to apply knowledge. Integration of subjects. Subjects are not isolated but connected to real-world problems and integrated into meaningful learning experiences. Dynamic and evolving. Pragmatists view knowledge as something that changes and evolves. So education should be adaptable and responsive to new situations and challenges. In a pragmatic educational setting, the teacher's role is to create a supportive and engaging learning environment, get students in their learning journey, facilitating exploration and discovery, help students connect learning to their lives and future goals, encourage students to think critically and solve problems creatively, foster collaboration and teamwork. Examples of pragmatism in education. Project-based learning. Students engage in extended in-depth projects that allow them to apply their knowledge and skills in a practical context. Service learning. Students engage in community service activities that connect their learning to social issues. Inquiry-based learning. Students explore questions and topics through research and investigation, integrating real-world scenarios. Teachers use real-life examples and case studies to illustrate concepts, making learning more relevant and engaging. Learner-centered curriculum. The curriculum should be flexible and responsive to students' interests, needs, and experiences. Criticisms of pragmatism in education. Rejection of objective truth. Pragmatism posits that truth is relative to time and context, rather than being fixed and universal. Critics argue this undermines the pursuit of enduring knowledge and wisdom. Materialistic bias. Pragmatism's focus on observable results and practical application can be seen as neglecting spiritual and idealist values. Lack of aims and values. Some argue that pragmatism's emphasis on experience and adaptation leaves it without a clear, overarching purpose or aim for education. Potential for superficial learning. Critics worry that overemphasis on individual experience and experimentation may lead to a lack of depth in knowledge and understanding. Emphasis on individual differences. While valuing individual needs, some argue that pragmatism's focus on these differences can lead to a fragmented and inconsistent curriculum rather than a shared body of knowledge. Concerns about freedom. Some critics argue that pragmatism's emphasis on freedom and self-direction may lead to immature choices and lack of discipline. Thanks for watching.